This is Albright with AVNation at ISE 2025 in the Nureva booth with James Rempel. Welcome, sir.
Oh, thank you. It's great to be here.
Thanks for having us. You and I got to do a little bit of a preview, and we talked about the Nureva app, but also console, and we're sitting in front of console now, Nureva Console. So explain to folks exactly what this product is.
Yeah. Well, our whole goal is to make things easier for IT managers, and we make it easy when they have one of our systems to install it, but what if they have lots of our systems?
Yeah.
So that's why we developed Nureva Console. It's a cloud-based management system. So all of our systems can connect to this, and an IT manager can look at their entire deployment on one pane of glass.
Okay.
And so through the system, they can drill in, adjust settings, they can check for firmware updates and deploy them. They can also see analytic data. So for example, if we pick a room here, so this gives an IT manager information about what's actually going on in the room. So things like how often is the device being used in the room, what's the background noise level in the room, signal to noise ratio, or even sound location data. Where are people talking in the room?
So when you have this system here, you mentioned the firmware, right? Mm-hmm. That is not just individual one-on-one. I can drill into one room and update a piece of firmware. I can also update mass, right?
Yes, and in fact, you can even set it up to automatically update your products when a firmware rollout happens. But IT managers want to have the choice. Some of them have the philosophy that, hey, no one updates firmware unless it's controlled and tested first. So,
makes sense.
Yeah, we handle all cases.
I think I asked you this, but when you look at this specific one, because obviously you've got the Nureva pane of glass. What if you're an IT manager or an AV director, and you've got your own pane of glass, I just need the information in?
Yeah, exactly. We built Nureva Console on an API-first methodology. So there's a full suite of cloud-based APIs, so you can integrate it in with your own management system.
All right. Now we also have the Nureva app. Tell me about that.
Yeah, so we introduced the Nureva app this summer, and it's really about solving the challenge of configuring and managing our solutions in the room.
Okay.
And so it allows, it just makes it easier for installers and customers to access our devices in the room with a mobile device. They connect over the LAN or directly using just an Ethernet cable. They don't have to download any software. They just connect to our device and it serves up the interface.
So the product itself has the interface?
Exactly.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
That makes a lot of sense.
And so all of the settings can be managed through the app. You can update firmware. And then just recently we introduced an app for iOS.
Okay.
And so this app allows you to download an app directly to your iOS device, and it includes a new feature called Acoustic Check, which leverages the microphones in the device, so you can, before you even install a Nureva system, you can see the acoustics of the room.
Oh, wow.
And so it checks for background noise and reverberation. And it's really helpful just to get a sense of what is this room sounding like, and even where in the room is best to install the Nureva components.
That's really, really great, because that's one thing that Nureva has a lot of different products, but the fact that you're giving customers that information on the actual acoustics of their room, something you normally wouldn't get with something like that.
Exactly.
That's really cool. All right, James, somebody wants to find out more about Nureva. How do they do that?
Visit us at nureva.com.
All right, for us, for AVNation, go by our website, avnation.tv. It's avnation.tv, and find more videos from the show floor of ISE 2025. All that and more at avnation.tv, avnation.tv.